In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows Update error code 0x80072af9 on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on System. Scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. Here you can find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. Click the Run button to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. This will give you suggestions and recommendations on fixing the issue. So, follow the on-screen instructions, and after running the Windows Update Troubleshooter, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Next method, go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click Run as Administrator on the right pane. Click Yes for the user account control. Now we have two commands in here which will be posted in the description box below. The first command is an SFC scan. This will scan for and fix any system corrupted files. Control C to copy and then Control V and hit Enter. The system scan will begin, so you just need to wait for the process to be done or 100% completed. Now, once this is 100% completed, copy the second command, which is a DISM scan. And then after all the commands have been completed successfully, then close the command prompt window, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. So by using those methods, the problem will be fixed. And I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.